We're saying good riddance to 2024 and all the things that we want to say goodbye to in our lives. Our negativity, our procrastination, anything that we want to get rid of, we come right here to the center of Times Square for Good Riddance Day. And this year, we wrote them on a chalkboard and we wiped the slate clean for 2025.
We're going to input it on the one Times Square billboard. What they're saying goodbye to is going to appear on the billboard of one Times Square, and it will go up and magically disappear.
All right, so what's your name?
Carolina.
Carolina, nice to meet you.
Too.
What are you saying goodbye to in 2024?
Goodbye to all the negative thoughts and vibes.
Negative thoughts and vibes. David, this is your time to shine. Tell me your name again.
Carolina.
How do I spell that?
Carolina.
Carolina. Carolina. Oh, you got it? Look, wait, come on up here, Carolina. Oh my gosh. Is it there? It's happening. There it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, wait, there it is right there. It's on the side. Negative thoughts and vibes right there. Oh my gosh. Floating away, floating away. Goodbye, negative thoughts and vibes. What I love about Good Riddance Day is the variety of people that come out and want to say goodbye to something from 2024. And I think that's something that's universal. We saw things like ovarian cancer. We saw things like debt and health issues. We also saw some things like ex-boyfriends and ex-girlfriends. So no matter who you are, where you're from, everyone has something they want to say goodbye to. And that's what Good Riddance Day is all about. All right, let's get rid of what you're saying goodbye to.
I'm saying goodbye to overthinking.
Don't overthink it. Just get rid of it. Just do it. Just do it. I'll hold it. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Just do it. See how nice that is? See, we're already starting off good. Already doing great. Congratulations. Happy New Year. Thank you so much.
The new year is a time of reflecting on the past, celebrating the present, and looking forward to the future. And today, as we reflect on the past, we're saying goodbye to things that we don't want to take into 2025.
What are you going to say goodbye to?
Bad grades.
Okay, we got to work on those good grades. We want good grades for 2025. Here we go. Wipe it away. Yeah, buddy. Great job. Good Riddance Day is the first stop to celebrating the new year. I come here and I get to host Good Riddance Day, where we say goodbye to all the things from 2024 that we want to get rid of. And then in a few days, I will stand up on top of my perch as the host of Times Square New Year's Eve and ring in the new year of 2025. Let's say goodbye to 2024!